Ever found yourself with money in your Venmo account but needing it in your PayPal account? You're not alone. It's a common situation, and while you can't transfer funds directly between the two, there is a simple and effective workaround. Let's break down the process step by step so you can move your money where it needs to be. The secret to moving money between these two platforms is your bank account. Think of it as a middleman. You'll first transfer the money from your Venmo account to your bank, and then from your bank to your PayPal account. It's a two-step process that's both secure and free if you're not in a hurry. First, you need to make sure the same bank account is linked to both your Venmo and PayPal accounts. For Venmo, you'll go to your settings, then payment methods, and add your bank. For PayPal, you'll go to your wallet and select link a card or bank. Once both are connected, you're ready to start the transfer. Now, for step 1, getting the money from Venmo to your bank. In the Venmo app, go to your balance and choose to transfer to bank. You'll have two options, a standard transfer, which is free and typically takes 1 to 3 business days, or an instant transfer, which costs a small fee but gets the money to your bank in minutes. Choose the one that works best for you and confirm the transfer. Once the money is in your bank account, it's time for step 2, moving it to PayPal. Open your PayPal app or go to the website, find your balance, and select the option to transfer money. From there, choose to add money to your balance from your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to transfer, confirm the details, and voila! The money will be on its way to your PayPal account. Again, this process is usually free and may take a few business days depending on your bank. So, while there's no direct button to transfer money from Venmo to PayPal, using your linked bank account as a go-between makes the process seamless. It's a quick and efficient way to manage your funds across both platforms. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Venmo to PayPal, a full guide is a good video option because it provides a comprehensive guide on how to transfer funds between the two platforms using a linked bank account.